Good morning, everyone. A very bright and colorful morning to all the teachers, students, and guests gathered here today. The atmosphere of our school is alive with joy, enthusiasm, and a splash of creativity because today we are celebrating the festival of color and art. The Rangoli competition is being held today. Rangoli is not just colors on the floor, it is a language of beauty, creativity, and devotion. Each design reflects imagination, patience, and the magic that lies in young hearts. From the teeny fingers of class 1 to the artistic hands of class 10 today, our school is blooming like a garden of dreams.
में रंगोली सी रातें तारों वाली ऐसा इश्क हुआ है जैसे आई दिवाली बातें
Let's walk together through this rainbow of talent. You may see here the student of class 1 to 10th are busy turning simple dots into dazzling patterns. Look at their innocence, creativity, pure and joyful. They prove that art needs no age, only imagination. The students of class 3 and 4 are spreading colors like poetry on the ground. Every stroke, every color they place shows their growing confidence and joy. On this beautiful occasion, I would like to say some of the sentences. Colors are the smiles of nature, and today our school is smiling brightly. You know, this Rangoli competition is not about winning or losing, it is about expressing the rainbow that lives within each one of us. When imagination takes wings, even the ground becomes a canvas of event. Great artists are not born, they are made in moments like this. So, these are the beautiful quotations by me. This is my opinion. And at last, I would like to say that as we reach the end of this colorful morning, let's remember life itself is like a rangoli, full of colors, patterns, and moments to cherish. A big round of applause for all the participants from class 1 to 10 for painting this day with joy and inspiration. May this spirit of creativity continue to shine in your hearts forever. Thank you, everyone. Stay colorful, stay creative, and keep spreading positivity. Thank you.